Hi everyone, today we're playing this or that. Right here I have the iCucina and over there we have the Chefman. They're both air fryers, so let's talk about them and what they bring to the table. Alright you guys, let's start with iCucina. As you can see, its display varies from the Chefman. It's completely different. It has 8 preset heatings including fries, chicken, and fish among others. You can change the Fahrenheit through these arrows and the timer through these arrows. You also have a light that turns on and off inside, and opening it up you have 3 different racks. So it is great if you're making fries and chicken nuggets. You can separate them and have each in its own little rack. It is truly great. We had this for years, but let's move on to the Chefman. Alright, now for the Chefman. As you can see, it has 4 presets including fish, fries, chicken, and meat. However, I do want to note that the time and temperature are just one button. And what I mean by that is that you can up the time and then you have to click on the middle to up or lower the temperature. So that is definitely different from the iCucina, which has a setting for both time and temperature. Taking a look inside, it is only one basket. So whatever you make in here is only going to be one, and you can't divide it quite as nicely as the iCucina. However, I also have a love for the Chefman. It is truly great. It is nice and sleek. It looks awesome. Love the preheat settings, super sleek, and definitely a game changer for your kitchen as well. So which should you buy? I definitely recommend both. However, I will be siding with the iCucina just because it has different levels, so you can bake and cook different things in there. However, the Chefman continues to be an incredible device, and I definitely recommend you check it out as well. So let me know, would you buy this or that?